ready to unleash your data visualizations and share them with the world. Let's dive into exporting your beautiful Tableau workbook to Tableau Public. First, ensure you have a completed dashboard. Make sure your charts, maps, and interactive elements are exactly as you desire before publishing. Alright, head to the File menu at the top of Tableau Desktop, then select Save to Tableau Public. If you don't see this option, make sure you have Tableau Public installed and set up. You'll be prompted to log into your Tableau Public account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a free account. It's a quick and easy process. Enter your credentials here to start the publishing process. Next, you'll be asked to give your workbook a descriptive title and, optionally, add a compelling description. This helps viewers understand the context of your data. You can also set tags to help people look for your viz. This is key for others to find your work. Click the Save button now. Tableau will begin publishing your workbook to your Tableau Public profile. This process might take a few seconds, depending on the size and complexity of your data. Once the upload is complete, you will be instantly directed to your published workbook on Tableau Public. You'll see the interactive dashboard you created. You can share the link to share your viz. On your Tableau Public workbook, you can copy the URL, embed it in a website, or share it via social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. This is a fantastic way to get feedback, collaborate with others, and build your data visualization portfolio. Great job sharing your viz.